Hello there. Here is another alternative yogurt for lactose intolerant individuals. So if you can't consume animal-based milk yogurt, you can try soya bean yogurt. Others too are available. So to do this, you need to soak in like 2 cups of soya bean. Soak until it's softened. Make sure you wash thoroughly before soaking. Remove all dirt. Then soak for few hours for it to soften. Yeah, welcome back to our channel. Hope you've been doing justice to the subscribe button. You always get notified whenever there's new updates. So after some few hours, it's softened now. You can clean it up, then you mill into smooth paste. It's softened enough. So you mill it into smooth paste, then you sieve the milk out onto a pot. Just get a pot with wider surface so it can easily dry out. You're going to cook on very low heat, very low heat source, so that it can cook slowly. You don't need high heat to cook the milk. So you cook for a while. I like to sit for like 15-20 minutes for it to cook. You can find out that the protein is already merging at the top. So I allow it to sit for a while, and I think at this point it's ready. It's for me this way because it's fresh milk. What you are going to do is allow it to cool. Then you can transfer into your bowl, and after that you can start checking the temperature. Your temperature for yogurt making is at a certain temperature, so you need to maintain it. After you're done transferring, use your skin as a test. If your skin can stand it for some couple of few seconds, then your yogurt is ready to be made. Or if you have a thermometer, just check at 40 degrees. It's perfect for yogurt making. So your skin can stand it for some couple of seconds. You can now add your probiotic. You can either get store-bought, your ready-made previous yogurt, or you can make use of probiotic powder. Seal completely, then cover it tightly, and wrap it up and leave it in an undisturbed place for like 12 to 15 hours. So 12 hours is ideal, but if you leave it for 15 hours, it's still okay. So after exactly 12 hours, this is how our yogurt looks like. Soya milk yogurt is another lactose-free alternative for individuals with lactose issues. So our yogurt is thickened as it should. In making yogurt from soya milk, you need to be very careful of your probiotic. It must be very natural and pure in order to avoid making the soya milk yogurt grainy. It tastes exactly like the signature yogurt. So you can mix it up. Either you extract the whey or you mix it like that, and you have your perfectly made yogurt. It doesn't seem so smooth, so we have to blend it to a very smooth paste. Don't have the energy to whisk for long. So you smoothen it using a blender, and your yogurt is completely okay. You can refrigerate it after this and use whenever you need to. Soya milk yogurt is nutrient packed and high in protein. Hope this was useful.